Hi, I am the last man on the north side. If you see this message, press this button twice, okay? This is a ship motherboard, which I hope will save me. After any corona vaccines doesn't work around the world, and after nuclear explosions, my continent became a silent desert and there is no one except me. But there is an ocean which I hope there are survivors on the other side. A few months later, I'm getting bored and I deciding to send an autonomous boat instead of sending a message inside the empty bottle. After I connect to free internet, what is left, right? Planning is important, so I designed my awesome motherboard for PCB. Anyway, after my design finished, then I searched my toolbox and I found my handsome modules which I showed you in the previous video. Finally I have my design on my hand. Now I can smell it and tell him a story before sleep. Oh Simurg, what did you use for that? Microcontroller, GPS, gyro, compass, radio wave. This is an Arduino Nano, but I'm gonna use STM32 for get data more fast. Oh Simurg, do you know how to code with C? But it still makes sense using C instead of Arduino? Hell no, I'm gonna use additional modules for that. Before coding, I had to decide where I'm gonna go. Which place should I go? You have to give a name what you make, so it's not something official and I'm still working on the name, but I will call this, is there anyone there, 1.0, ITAT 1.0.
Wow, it sounds so cool.
Okay, probably everyone wondering which modules I used in here, and probably none of you guys watched my previous video, so you don't know why I use and what I used here. So I'm gonna explain. We have 4 modules in here. If you count a microcontroller, it's gonna be 5 devices. So this is the GPS, this is not a module, this is a connect to GPS, so it's antenna for GPS, and it's taking the coordinates and giving those information to microcontroller. And the gyro, thanks to gyro we are seeing the axis condition of our autonomous board. So other thing, we have compass. Everyone know what is compass and why we are using it. So the other things, all of these information came into microcontroller, and microcontroller giving to data this on RF24 for the send, and these modules sends the data to ground station. So we have one of these also in the ground station to receive the data. Yeah, it's basically those things, and taking the coordinates, taking the data and sending the data to ground station. The algorithm is like that, and these modules like that. That's very cheap modules, and I think it's very useful, so everyone can use that. But I want to change the microcontroller with STM32. This is the episode 1 of my project, so if you want to see the second part you can subscribe, and if you liked this video you can like it, and YouTube algorithm show you more kind of this stuff in your homepage. So thanks for watching my video. I enjoyed when I'm doing it, and see you next time.